Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 17 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US ISM Services Employment Index will be released at 14 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 7 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold edged lower and has notched a second consecutive weekly loss as easing trade tensions between the US and China and a strong jobs report kept prices pressured. US gold futures settled 0.6% higher. The US dollar fell to end last week, but trimmed losses against the euro and yen after data showed the world's largest economy added more new jobs than expected last month, reflecting a labour market that remained on a stable footing. OPEC Plus has agreed to accelerate oil production hikes for a second consecutive month, raising output in June by 411,000 barrels per day, the group said on Saturday, despite falling prices and expectations of weaker demand.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar fell 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair rose 0.9% following a 1% intra-session dip. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.8% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.3% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.